Hello, this is Laura Castillo. The date is Sunday, December 3rd, 2017, and today's video has to do with the respiratory system. Specifically today we are going to be discussing, or actually going over how to obtain your tidal volume, which is basically the amount of air you exhale during regular breathing. Before I demonstrate this, I do want to just go over a couple things of how different things can affect your tidal volume. This could be anywhere from your age, children versus someone who's a lot elderly, so that can definitely be a factor. Gender, generally men tend to have larger tidal volume because they can hold more air, as well as size. People who are a little bit larger or have just larger rib cages also have more volume and can take in and hold in more air. Other things that can affect that would be like if you have any sort of diseases or respiratory issues, things like that, that can also affect your tidal volume, as well as some races. I don't know exactly which ones, but there are statistics that show that there are certain races that have greater tidal volume versus other races. So those are just a couple of factors that can affect that. So in order to obtain your tidal volume, the first thing that you need to do is get with the equation. So you need to get the radius of a balloon, and in order to do so, let's go ahead and start with that. So I'm going to just breathe normally, and one of my breaths I'm just going to take in just the normal volume and breathe it into this, and then you'll see me measure the circumference of this. And to get the radius, it's the circumference divided by 2 pi, which I am actually going to use a calculator for that. So let me grab a calculator. Alright, so breathing regularly. Okay, that's a little deep, but alright, so I'm pitching it at the top. I do want to twist it just so that I don't escape too much air. Not too much, I don't think my lungs are very big. And then on a flat surface, I have my book. I'm using my book as a flat surface. So here we go. I'm going to try to make this as spherical as possible and try to measure the radius, the circumference. So let's put my pinky finger here. Just kind of spin this guy around. Not that easy. It's about 38 centimeters. So we'll go with that for now. So I'll be using my little blank yellow paper. So I have 38 centimeters, and I'm going to divide that by 2 pi. Okay. And let's see what I get. 38, divide this by 2 pi, and I get 6.04788787. I'm just going to put 6.05. So that is my radius. Okay. And then the next thing, in order to get the actual tidal volume, I'm going to have to take, the equation is 4 pi times my radius, which is 6.05, to the third, and then divided that by 3. Just like that. So, my calculator's running out of battery. Okay, so we're going to do 4 pi times 6.05 to the third, and dividing that by 3, and I get 927.50, well, 927.5871705. Again, I'm not going to write the entire number. I'm going to go ahead and put 927.59, and that is my tidal volume. That's about how much air I breathe. There you go. So that's how I calculated that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day.